Morning student, today I am going to teach you trigonometry. Trigonometry is very important. For ICSE student, you already studied in 9th standard, and for CBSE students and state syllabus student in 10th standard you will study, and this is the basics for your PU level, 11th and 12th or in first PUC and second PUC. This is the basics. You are going to study a chapter called calculus, which carries major marks in 11th and 12th or PUC. For that, trigonometry is basics. It's a branch of mathematics. It's very easy topics. Today I am going to teach about all fundamentals or basics. As I always keep on telling that basics or fundamentals are very important. Today I will teach you all the basics of trigonometry. So please come, let us jump into the sea of trigonometry. Now the first question arises in your mind. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics where we study about a relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Okay, moment I say triangle, you already studied in your lower class. Just recapitulate about triangles. What is this? Triangle. What is the name of the triangle? ABC. What is this triangle? ABC. What is this triangle? Triangle ABC. Triangles are classified based on sides. Based on sides, triangles are classified into what? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scaling triangle. So we will not discuss about that. Based on angles, triangles are classified into acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle triangle. What is this? Acute angle triangle. What is this? One angle is obtuse. What about this one? I will call it as diagram 1, diagram 2, diagram 3. In diagram 3, it's an acute angle triangle. In diagram first, it's an obtuse angle triangle. What about second triangle? It's a right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle? Triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. So in trigonometry, we are discussing about only right angle triangle. From now onwards, if I say triangle, you have to consider it as right angle triangle, not acute angle or right angle triangle. I will erase this. Now, as I told you, in trigonometry, what do we study? We study about relationship between sides and angles of a triangle. Now, I draw. Dear students, in the triangle topic, you already studied Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is applicable for right angle triangle. What is this triangle? ABC. Right angle at B. You also should remember angles and property of a triangle. Because angle A, angle B, angles add up to 180 degree. Now, in triangle ABC, I said what type of triangle you should not ask henceforth. It is right angle triangle. Triangle, right angle at B. The side opposite to right angle triangle is what? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The triangle has three sides. Which is the hypotenuse? AC, longest side. Which is the longest side? The side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. What about the other two sides? What is their name? What is their name? Here, angle will decide. Angle will decide. What is the angle? We denote it by theta. You come across with a new word. How to pronounce this? Theta. 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 What does theta denote? Theta denotes angle. From now onwards, we denote angle by theta. So now, you can take C as angle theta or A as angle theta. Now, I will draw one more diagram here. Same triangle. Right angle at B. Which is hypotenuse. As I said, the side opposite to right angle B is hypotenuse. Now, which is opposite side? I put question mark. Now, A and B, either A can be theta. There are three sides. One is hypotenuse. What are the other two sides? Opposite side and adjacent side. Now, AB and BC will start fighting. AB says, I am theta. Now angle A and C, they will start fighting. Angle A says I am theta. angle C says and opposite side. Sorry, not theta. Now, who is opposite side, who is adjacent side is decided by angle theta. Now, here we take angle C as theta. Now, the side opposite to theta is called opposite side. What is it called? Opposite side or perpendicular. Which is the remaining side? BC. BC will become adjacent side, or some textbooks say, they say base. What is this? Perpendicular or opposite side. BC will be adjacent side or base. Hypotenuse will be AC. Dear students, please remember the side opposite to angle B is hypotenuse. Now come here. Now angle A is theta. Now the position of adjacent opposite will change. What will happen to BC? Is opposite to angle theta. Therefore, BC becomes opposite side. Then remaining side AC becomes adjacent side or base. If you have any doubt, you can mute my video and get it clear your all basic concept, children. And erase this board. I will erase on board what is written on the board. Again, I'll write triangle. I hope you understood the basics. Once again, I am telling you, these are very, very important. If you have doubt, please mute my video and get it clear. What's opposite side, what's adjacent side, and hypotenuse. As I said, I'll draw a big triangle. I'll draw big triangle again. We'll name it as A, B, C. Now, I'll take C as theta. So, the side opposite to angle B is what? Hypotenuse, denoted by HYP, short form. What about AB? Opposite to angle theta, it's opposite side or perpendicular. What about BC? BC will be base or adjacent side. Adjacent side. Now, come back. What I said, trigonometry, branch of mathematics, where we study about relationship between these three sides and angle of a triangle. Understood? Yeah. What is trigonometry? See, answer there in question only. Trigonometry. Split the word. Trigonometry. What is tri? Three sides of a triangle. Gono means side. Sides. Polygon. You have studied polygon in metry means what? Measurement. What is that? Measurement. What is trigonometry? Measurement of three sides of a triangle. We study about relationship between these three sides of a triangle in terms of their ratios. Understood? I love this. The ratio, three sides of a triangle, we study relation. What do we study? Ratios of these three sides. Now, important topic starts now. So, what do we study? We study about ratios of the three sides in terms of a function called trigonometric functions. What is trigonometric function, dear students? Again and again, I reiterate because these are very, very important from your future point of view. It is closing topic. It is closing topic. It's very, very important and very, very easy. Now, the ratios of the sides of a triangle are expressed in terms of a function called trigonometric functions. There are six trigonometric functions, children. What are they? Come here. Sine. Yes, sine and e. Second one, cosine. Cosine. Third one, tangent. Third one, tangent. Fourth one, cotangent. Cotangent. Fifth one, secant. Fifth one, secant. Sixth one, cosecant. Cosecant. What are they? They are trigonometric functions where the ratios of the sides are expressed in terms of these functions called trigonometric functions. Now, dear student, sine. The short form of sine is SIN. How to pronounce sine? Many students pronounce it as sin, not sin, sine. What is cosine? Cosine is the co-ratios of sine. Therefore, it's called cosine. Short form or abbreviation is cos. Third one, tangent. What is the short form of tangent? tan. What is this? Cotangent. Sine and cos are co-ratios. Similarly, tangent and cot. Short form of cotangent is cot. Fifth one is secant. What the short form? Sec. How to pronounce? Sec. How to pronounce this last one? Cosec. How to pronounce it? Cosec. I'll arrange this. Just avoid confusion too. I'll draw the diagram here. Triangle. Once again. What is this? Right angle that B. ABC is the triangle. You can take AC anywhere. Any vertex. You can take right angle that B. Hypotenuse. Opposite. When does AB become opposite? When angle C is theta. Very, very important. Then this will become adjacent. ADJ. Now, I said again I will revise. What are these six functions? Trigonometric functions. Sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. What is the short form of sine? SIN. How to pronounce? Sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Now, if you write along these names, they have no meaning. We have to mention angle. What is the angle here? Theta. So we have to write sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta, cosecant theta. If you write sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant alone, they have no meaning, students. Understood? Therefore, we should write sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosecant theta. Again, don't get confused. Sine theta is one term only. Sine theta is not equal to sine into theta. No. Sine theta is only one term. Without theta, if you write sine alone, it has no meaning. Please note it down. Okay. Now, the basic introduction is over. What are we going to study in this trigonometry? We are going to study about 6 points. If you remember this, children, trigonometry you can do just like this. Very easy. So, what is that? 6 points. Definitions. First thing is what? Definitions of all 6 trigonometric functions. Second one, what are you going to study? We are going to study about reciprocal ratios. What is the third point? Quotient ratios. Quotient ratios. What the fourth point we are going to study, children? Identities. What is that? Identities. You already studied in identities. You are familiar with this one? Identity. This different identity in trigonometry. What about the fifth one? Fifth one, complementary angles. What is that? Complementary angles. What is the sixth one? Sixth one is standard angles. What is that? Standard angles. Standard angles means values of standard angles. Why we say about standard angles? I'll come to that when I come to that last topic. I'll discuss in detail. First, let us study about definitions. What is the first point? Definitions. Reciprocal ratios, quotient ratios, identities, complementary angles and standard angles. Table. It's a table of standard angles. Very easy. I will explain in detail when we come to that. So, now let us discuss one by one. What is the first one? Definitions. What the definition means? Definitions of all 6 trigonometric functions. What are the 6 trigonometric functions, children? Sin theta. What is that? Sin theta. Second one, cos theta. Third one, tan theta. Fourth one, cot theta. Fifth one, sec theta. Sixth one, cosec theta. Dear children, try to remember in the same order. What is that? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosecant theta. Now, Now, another trick I'll teach you. What is that? First three, you write it out. If you remember, now many students they say, sir, it's very difficult. So trigonometry is not difficult. It's very easy. I said mathematics is a concept-oriented subject. Now what you have to remember here? Remember sin theta. Remember cos theta. What is that? Cos theta. Remember tan theta. Enough. You can ask, sir, is it enough? What about the other three? Other three are reciprocal ratios. See, second topic is also covered in definitions only. If you remember sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, you will understand next three also very easy because other three are reciprocals. How is that? Come, I will teach you. What is sin theta? Come to the diagram again. Triangle ABC. What type of triangle? Right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Now, what is sin theta? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now, I will write again as sin theta, cosec theta. Cosec theta. Now here, come to the definitions first of these first three functions. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is tan theta? What is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Dear children, if you remember these three, enough. As you go deeply, I'll teach you the different techniques how to remember. Then you find trigonometry is damn easy and it's a scoring topic. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta opposite by adjacent side. Now what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is hypotenuse by opposite side. What is that? Hypotenuse by opposite side. Now you must have got idea by this time why I have written opposite of sin theta, cos theta. Sorry, cos theta. Against cos theta, what I will write? I will write sec theta. What is sec theta? Sec theta is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Tan theta. Against tan theta, what I will write? Cot theta. Cot theta. What is that? Adjacent side by opposite side. See student, our definition is our first point. Very easy. What you have to remember? Not all six. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. No need to remember all six. Remember three. Remember only three. Sin, cos, tan. Now, second topic. Why I have written cosec theta against sin theta, sec theta against cos theta, cot theta against tan theta. Look at cosec theta. It is related to sin theta. S or no? S. If you take the reciprocal of sin theta opposite by hypotenuse, you get cosec theta. Hypotenuse by opposite. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is sec theta? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Finish. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent. Cot theta, adjacent by opposite. Reciprocal of tan theta. See, this is the beauty of trigonometry, children. See now, I taught you definitions. We are discussing definitions. You already understood reciprocal ratios also, isn't it? So, what is reciprocal of sin? Cosec. Reciprocal of cosec? Sin. Sin and cosec are reciprocal to each other. What is reciprocal of cos? Sec theta. What is reciprocal of sec? Cos. Cos and sec are reciprocal to each other. What is the reciprocal of tan? Cot. Reciprocal of cot? Tan. So tan and cot are reciprocals. See children, this is the beauty of trigonometry, which is easiest topic. Already we have finished. Second topic also. What is it? Reciprocal ratios. Two topics we have finished. Isn't it? And right here, reciprocal ratios. Like hitting two birds in one shot, or hitting two fruits from in one shot. It's like that. See, we are studying definitions. We have studied about reciprocal ratios also. Two topics are covered in one topic. What the third topic, students? Third topic is reciprocal ratios, quotient ratios. Quotient ratios. Yeah. What is quotient ratio? It's again small topic. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now, what is the reciprocal of tan, children? Cot. Just now we studied cot theta. So, tan and cot are reciprocals we studied. What is the reciprocal of tan theta? Cot theta. So, what is the reciprocal of sin by cos then? Cos theta by sin theta. They will not ask for proving and all. Just you have to remember. How to prove? I will teach you. You also know. It will be a very easy topic. What is that? Now, take RHS. What is RHS? What is RHS? Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. And write O by H whole divided by cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Dear children, in algebra also you get confused. You get tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now, what is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Now, dear children, many students they get confused while solving. What is sin theta? Write it as it is. O by H. What the sin is? Divided by. Convert it into. Now, I change the symbol from division to into. A by H becomes reciprocal. What is that? H by A. So now simplification becomes easy. What does it mean? Denominator of denominator goes to numerator. Numerator of the denominator goes to denominator of numerator. Confusion after this technique. What is that? Write O by H as it is. Instead of division, put into sign. A by H becomes reciprocal. H by H gets cancelled. What do we get? O by A. What is it? Is equal to LHS. What is that? Tan theta. Tan theta. Hence proved. Proving on all they will not ask. Isn't it? Now tan theta is equal to O by H. So similarly, you can prove what is that? Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. These are the two reciprocal quotient ratios. What is that? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. So, this is the end of third topic, quotient ratios. Again, dear children, I am telling you, they will not ask proofing and all. I just proved it. Now, tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. Reciprocal of sin by cos is cos by sin. That's it. Student, quotient ratios over. What's the fourth topic? Identities. What the fourth topic? Identities. Very, very important. I'll put a star mark. Because while solving numericals, even in your higher class, 11th and 12th, or PUC level, this identities play very, very important role in calculus. Calculus has two parts, differentiation and integration. So I need a space and arrange this table. So, I'll write the topic name again. Fourth topic, what is it? Identities. Identities are what? You have studied in polynomials and algebra. They are the formula which is true for all the values of variables involved in it. Like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, and so on. Here also your identities. Which are the three identities? Just three identities in the three formula. What is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So now I want sin square theta implies that we can switch this formula. Sin square theta can be written as what? 1 cos square theta is there, bring it to RHS. 1 minus cos square theta. Similarly, cos square theta can be written as what? Cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Proving or not, they will not ask in exam. First identity is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Implies that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. What is the second identity, children? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 6 square theta. What does it imply? Tan square theta can be written as 6 square theta minus 1. 1 can be written as what? 6 square theta minus tan square theta. This is our second identity. What is the third identity? Among sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. First sin, cos, cot. Now tan and secant. Which is the left trigonometric ratio? Cot and cosecant. So what is the third identity? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So what is cot square theta? Can be written as cot square theta can be written as cosec square theta minus 1. So 1 can be written as what? Cos square theta from LHS bring it to RHS plus becomes minus cosec square theta minus cot square theta. What is this? Third identity. Finished, children. Fourth topic is also over. Identities. Students, once again I reiterate that this fourth point, identities are very, very important. Please mute my video and be thorough with this concept. Once again I tell you, concepts are very, very important. These three formulas are very, very important from your future point of view. That's why be prepared for now itself for your final in future exams. What's the fifth point? Fifth point is complementary angles. Another easy topic. What's the fifth topic? Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Now, dear student, you already studied in lower class. What are complementary angles? If, see now, again I draw a diagram. A, B, C. Triangle ABC, B is right angle. Angle B is how much? 90 degree. Now, we know angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how much? 180 degrees. Now, what is the value of B? B is 90 degree. What is the value of angle A? We don't know. What is the value of angle C? We don't know. Bring plus 90 to this side. What will happen? Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. E and C are complementary angles. What are complementary angles? E and C which add up to 90 degree are called complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles add up to 90 degree. Then they are called complementary angles. Or sum of two angles is 90 degree. Then both angles are called complementary angles. So what is the complement of A? We studied in basic class. 90 minus C. Similarly, Similarly, what is the complement of C? 90 minus A. Please remember this, student. While solving numericals, it will come to your help. Understood? Now come to our topic. What are complementary angles? Already I told you that. If you remember, sine, cos, tan, then other three are easy. What is that? Cot, secant, cosecant. First three, if you remember, last three are reciprocals of first three. Now come to sine, tan, sine, tan, then sec. Sin theta, tan theta, sec theta. Understood? So, what is the complement of sine? Come to this triangle. Now, what is angle C? Theta. What about the A? Just now we discussed E and C are complement to each other. What is the complement of theta? 90 minus theta. Children, to clarify, to avoid your confusion, again I will explain. In triangle ABC, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. What is that? B is 90 degree. What is A? A is 90 minus theta. What is C? Theta. Simplify. What you will get? What you will get? 90 minus theta plus 90 plus theta is equal to 180. Theta plus minus theta plus theta 1. 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. Angle sum property is also proved. Many things you will learn here. So what I mean to say, what is complement of theta? 90 minus theta. Now, to avoid your confusion, I will explain this again. A, B, C. I said, if you take A as theta, what would be the value of C? 90 minus theta. So what is complement of theta? 90 minus theta. What is complement of 90 minus theta? Theta. What does it mean? Theta, 90 minus theta are complement to each other, because complementary angles are what? Two angles which add up to 90 degree. Come back to our topic. Now, just what you have to remember, complement of sine is cos. What is complement of theta? Just now we have studied 90 minus theta. What does it imply? Sine and cos are complement to each other. What is the complement of cos? Sine. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to what? Is equal to what? Cos theta. What is complement of sine? Cos. What is complement of theta? 90 minus theta. So, just to interchange sine and cos. What happens? Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Finished. Now, what is tan theta? Complement of tan is what? Cot. What is the complement of theta? 90 minus theta. What does it imply? Now interchange sine and cos, which are complement to each other. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to what, children? Cot theta. Cot theta. Now come to last one. Sec theta. Now, which is the last trigonometric function left? Cosecant. Cosecant. What is complement of theta? 90 minus theta. What is complement of theta? 90 minus theta. So, what does it imply? Again, interchange these two functions, sine and sec and cosec. So, what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. I'll erase this triangle. I need space. Cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. That's it, children. Finished. Very, very easy topic. Again, if I need doubt, mute my video and get your concept clarified. Now, students, our last topic. What's that? Table of standard angles. Again, I'm telling you, if you have any doubt, pause the video, watch it, get your concepts clear. What's the last topic? Table of standard angles. Why I'm using the word standard angles? Dear children, see here. This is the line. There is a point O. What is the angle around this point? Angle around this point is 360 degrees. We don't know the values of all the angles in trigonometry. That's why we use the word standard. Why? We know the values of only particular angles. What are those angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. In your higher class you will study 180, 270, 360 and so on. Here we know values of only the standard angles. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Example, we know the values of only sin 0, cos 0, tan 0, cot 0, sec 0, cosec 0. We don't know the values of 15 degrees. Standard angles. We know sin 30, cos 30, tan 30 and so on. These are all called standard angles. How many angles? How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now come, I'll draw the table and show you how to remember. Many students they say, no sir, it's very difficult to remember. What's the first one? Sin theta. Then cos theta. Then tan theta. Cot theta. Sec theta. Then cosec theta. Which is the first angle? Theta 0 degrees. Second one 30 degrees. 45 degrees. 60 degrees. Lastly 90 degrees. So then draw the line here. Many students tell me that, sir, it's very difficult to remember. My God, such a big table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5 are 30. 30 values, very difficult to remember. Dear student, you will be surprised. You have to remember only 50%. 50% sin, cos, tan. Many students say still difficult, sir. Then remember sin and cos. Okay. Now I will say remember only sin theta. Rest are all tricks. Rest are all tricks. What is that? I will teach you the trick. Now remember only sin theta. What is the value of sin 0? 0. What is the value of sin 30? 1 by 2. Sin 45? 1 by root 2. Sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Sin 90? 1. You remember sin now? Sin 0? 0. Sin 30? 1 by 2. Sin 45? 1 by root 2. Sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Sin 90? 1. Now, what will happen? Imagine there is a bus at a point A. From one terminal it is going to another terminal B. Now, I'll take an example always about Kempegowda bus terminal to Electronic City because I am in Bangalore. But other students get confused if I say Kempegowda bus stop and Electronic City. A bus is going from A to B. At the same time, another bus is coming from B to A. So one terminal to another terminal. Now, why I am using this thing? I am saying Kempegowda bus stop or Electronic City because I am in Bangalore, but I don't use that word. Other students who are watching from other places may get confused. Now, bus is coming from A to B. At the same time, another bus starts. This bus is at where? A. This bus is at where? B. What is cos 90? 0. What is, now bus has started moving. Now here it is at one point. Sin theta. Sin theta is how much here? 30. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. Two buses are moving in opposite direction. At one point of time, they meet each other. Yes or no? What is this? 1 by root 2. Then bus will continue its journey. What is cos 30 is equal to sin 60? What is that? Root 3 by 2. Then what is this? Cos 0. Cos 0 is nothing but sin 91. Understood, children? What you have to remember? Only sin values. Sin 0 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 91. What is this? Cos. What is cos 0? 1, which is sin 90. Again I am explaining you. What is cos 30? Root 3 by 2. What is cos 45? Sin 45. What is cos 60? Sin 30. What is cos 90? Sin 0. Once again, dear children, I will help you to remember in a shortcut way. What is sin 0? 0. Sin 30? 1 by 2. Sin 45? 1 by root 2. Sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Sin 91. Now you may get confused. Sir, how to remember cos? Cos, I said, I will teach you the trick. Cos 0, 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Cos 90, 0. How to remember? See here. What is sin 0? Remember these two buses. One is a terminal A going towards terminal B. At the same time, another bus from terminal B coming towards terminal A. Sin 0 is equal to cos 90. The bus started. It has come here. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Sin 30, 1 by 2, which is equal to cos 60. Now two buses are coming in opposite direction. They meet each other at a point. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is nothing but sin 60, root 3 by 2. Now, what is this? Sin 90 is equal to cos 0, 1. Easy to remember, children, isn't it? Now, come back to the tan. Already, I taught you quotient ratios. What is tan? What is tan? Sin by cos. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Isn't it? Now, I want tan 0. What is tan 0? Sin 0 by cos 0. What is sin 0? 1. Cos 0? 1. I am talking about tan 0, which is sin 0, 0 by 1. Anything divided by 0 by anything, 0. Then, you do the same concept apply for tan 30. Sin 30 by cos 30. 2 gone, denominator. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Then tan 45, sin 45 by cos 45, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Both numerator denominators are same, get cancelled 1. Here tan 60, 2 gets cancelled in the denominator, root 3. Here 1 by 0, tan 90, sin 90 by cos 90. Denominator 0, answer is infinity. Not defined. Same concept apply. Sin and cos rule what I taught, concept apply for tan. What is cot 0, which is equal to sin tan 90. Tan 90 is cot 0. What is that? Infinity. Because what is cot? After the reciprocal quotient ratios, cot is cos by sin. Quotient ratios. What is cot? Cos by sin. 1 by 0, infinity. Then, come here. What is cot 30 is equal to sin 60, root 3. Both of which tallies. What is cot 30? Come in this direction. Ulta. Then, what is cos 30? Cot 30, cos 30 by sin 30, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 1 again. Root 3 by 1 is nothing but root 3. Then reciprocal of tan 45 is equal to cot 45. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3, 1 by root 3. What is this? What is this? 1 by root 3. What is cot 90 is equal to tan 0, 0. Reciprocal. Come to quotient ratios. What is cot 90? Cos 90 by sin 90. 0 by 1, 0. Finished. Now, how to remember sec theta? Sec theta remembering is very easy. Come to another relation. Cos and sec are reciprocal, I taught in the second one. Similarly, sin and cosec are reciprocal. Tan and cot are reciprocals, we studied just now. Cos and sec are reciprocal in the definition, that's why I written. Again as sin theta written, cosec theta. Again as cos theta written, sec theta. Again as tan theta written, cot theta. Reciprocal ratios. Now come back. So sec theta, what is that? Reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of 1 is what? 1. Then sec 30, reciprocal of root 3 by 2. What is that? 2 by root 3. What is sec 45? Reciprocal of cos 45. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is what? Root 2. What is sec 60? Reciprocal of cos 60. Reciprocal of 1 by 2. 2. What is cos 90? Sec 90. Reciprocal of cos 90, which is 0. Reciprocal of 1 by 0 is what? Infinity. Yes or no, children? That's very easy. What are concept we applied for sin and cos, tan and cot? Apply same thing for sec and cosec. What is reciprocal of cosec? Cosec 0 is equal to sec 90. What is that? Infinity. Or you can compare here also. Sec and cosec are what? They are reciprocal ratios. Sin and cosec are reciprocal ratios. Sec and cosec are come back again. Sec. Reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of cos is sec. Similarly, reciprocal of sin is what? Cosec. Cosec. These two are complementary angles. Yeah. Or you can come in the reverse direction. Co-ratios. Yeah. Now, what is the reciprocal of sin 0? Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0, infinity. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is what? 2. What is reciprocal of 1 by root 2? Root 2. What is reciprocal of root 3 by 2? 2 by root 3. What is reciprocal of 1? 1. Easy, student, isn't it? I taught you all the tricks. So, again I am telling you, especially this table, this table is very, very important. You should remember all the values. Very difficult. Many students say, now I hope now by this time you are confident. Yes sir, I can remember all, because you have to remember only sine table. Others are all what you have to come for cos, you have to come in reverse direction. Tan, sin by cos, quotient ratios. Cot, reciprocal of tan, or cos by sin, quotient ratio. Secant, reciprocal of cos. Sin, reciprocal of cosec, reciprocal of sin. Isn't it? So, we come to the end of trigonometric basics. In the next video, I will teach you the important question that comes for 2-3 mark questions. Okay? Thank you very much. All the best. Good.